Hey guys, it's Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to do our unboxing and a review of the Infinix Smart 20. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another product. This is the Infinix Smart 20, and I actually got this one guys from Shopee. And if you're interested, you can actually tap on the link here in our YouTube link. So without further ado guys, let's open the box. Okay, let's see what's inside. So then guys, so we have here our Infinix Smart 20. This is the newest product, affordable product from Infinix guys. And I actually got here the Sunlike orange. Yes, I have been waiting guys to unbox this one because I'm pretty excited to show this one to you. Alright, so let's open the box. Okay, here it is. I really like this one guys, the color. I know the color seems really familiar to you, so I have here guys a 64 gig and 8 gigs of RAM. Okay, and you can actually get this one guys for less than $100 or just around 3,000 pesos. So this is really affordable and it's a perfect present for your kid, especially this season. Okay, let's open this one here. By the way guys, just a short review of the specifications. So it has a voice print noise reduction, 5,200 milliamperes in durable battery, ultralink free offline contact up to 1 kilometer, IP64 dust and water resistant, and it has 1.5 meters drop resistant as well. And guys, it already has 120 Hz smooth display and 6.78 punch hole screen, and it's powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultimate. So let's open the box. Okay, we have here our Smart 20 guys, and let's see what's in the box. So of course we have here the USB Type-C cable as well as the power brick. Okay, and of course the SIM ejector pin, and also the warranty and the manual. And guys, the good thing here is that they also included here the protector or the case. It's also in orange. Yes, it looks really familiar. So done guys, I'm so excited. So let's open this one here. Okay. And so then guys, Sunlike orange. Okay, and okay, on top guys, so we have here the speaker grill. On the right we have here the volume rocker and the power button, and on the left we have here the SIM tray, and at the bottom we have here the 3.5mm jack and also the Type-C port. So let's turn it on. Okay, and I really like guys the back. See, it looks really premium. Let's wait. So then guys, this is our Infinix Smart 20. So let's actually put the case. Okay, for me guys, it looks really pretty. Yes, and as you know, the design, it's very familiar. Yes, and also I already tried the camera guys, and also it's not bad as for the price. So it still takes a decent shot, and also the front facing camera is also looks really natural. Okay, and with the video it supports 1080p, and of course guys, for the price you cannot really expect a very powerful camera in this device. And also all in all, I can say that this product is really good present to your children or to whoever you want to give. And I will give you guys a review after a couple of weeks, a full review of our Infinix Smart 20. But all in all, guys, for just casual gaming and casual usage, this one is good for you. So guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video.